Hey guys, Colleen here, DIYer behind LemonThistle.com, and today I'm excited to talk to you guys about Potlights. We are talking about lighting because it's a huge part of a renovation and it can be a little bit intimidating, but installing Potlights with the new LED disc ones that they have out there is so simple. I think, in my opinion, it is one of the easiest lights to install, hands down. So I love Potlights so much because you don't notice them. They provide great light, but if they're done well, you don't even notice that they're there really, and you can add in your decorative lighting, and that's for interest, but then you don't have to worry about if that is bright enough. So we have put Potlights in both of our renovations. We put them in our last house in the living room, in this house in the living room, in this house in the new kitchen, and we're putting them downstairs. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how we put it in the hallway as well. Before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would so love if you did that below so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. All right, let's get started. Wait a second. Before we get started, please note, we're not electricians. We are DIYers, and so if you choose to take this on in your own house, do so at your own risk. Feel free to check in with an electrician. We're just going to show you how these specific Potlights work, and if you're comfortable putting them in, do so if you choose. The Potlights that we're using in this video were sent to us by Global Electric so that we could show you how easy they are. These are the same lights that we purchased and used in our main floor renovation, including our kitchen.
This tutorial is for replacing a regular light fixture with an LED Potlight. If you want to put a Potlight where there is not otherwise a light, you will need to drill your own holes, which the kit does come with a template for, and then run your own wires to those spots, so you will have to go in the attic. Alright, so the first thing that you'll need to do is remove your old light fixture. In our case, that did reveal some discolored ceilings, so we'll have to paint our ceiling. So I have gone ahead and redone the voiceover because we have little ones underfoot and they're pretty noisy. Once you've removed your light fixture, you will have your wires inside your light box, and you can just push that up into the side. The wires that you'll have in there will be your ground wire, your hot wire, and your common wire. And then you'll want about 3/4 of an inch of that wire exposed so that you can clip it into your Potlight. So in the Potlight, you'll get this little box that comes with it. And inside the box are these quick connects. There's a quick connect for each of the wires up there, and you'll see that there's actually 2 spots to clip in to the quick connects, and that's in case you want to do a daisy chain. And what that means is when you want to have more than one light on the same light switch. For this one here, we're just doing the one light, so we're just going to pop the one wire in each. And you take those 3 wires and you put them through the hole in the side of the box here. As you put them through, click them into the quick connects. And then close the box up and tuck it up into the attic to the side. From here, you'll see that this cord hangs down, and this is what you hook up to the part of your Potlight that you will see. So you just plug that in and then take this screw-on piece to secure the connection. Once that's done, pop all those wires up into the attic as well, and you can clip your light into place. The back of the lights, which are just these flat discs, this is all that it is, which is why LED is so awesome, have these spring-loaded clips that you just squeeze in as you push it up into the ceiling, and that will secure it. And what's great is you can pull these down because they are just spring-loaded like that without damaging the ceiling.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. We'll see you next time.